Best Marketing Automation Software. HubSpot. HubSpot Marketing Hub is a solid digital marketing tool for businesses that are just beginning to incorporate marketing automation software into their marketing strategy. There are a few reasons why this is the case. The platform is easily scalable, an all-in-one approach, compatible, and easy to use. Constant Contact. For businesses that wish to automate and improve their email marketing strategy, Constant Contact software is a strong choice. Moreover, the affordability of the software makes it an ideal option for small businesses. Constant Contact focuses on the automation of 4 main characteristics of email marketing: targeted and automated emails, maintenance of business customer relationships, increased engagement, and ad building tools and templates. Salesforce Pardot. Salesforce Pardot provides an option for businesses that need to tailor their business-to-business marketing strategy to their sales approach. The software platform outlines several sales-specific benefits that help businesses expand and nurture their client base as they grow. Marketo. Marketo has designed its software platform to offer businesses the opportunity to automate and measure their marketing tasks to improve operational efficiency and facilitate revenue growth. Marketo provides many of the same tools that Salesforce Pardot provides for its customers. However, it stands out in 2 specific domains: its intuitive user interface and ability to create customized templates and landing pages, its CRM integration and network collaboration. Customer.io. Customer.io is an email marketing automation software package that is easy to use and cost-effective. Customer.io provides users with a variety of tools ranging from A/B testing to multi-language newsletters, each of which is displayed throughout a well-designed application user interface. The software has received specific praise in the domain of data segmentation, where users are able to easily modify and customize marketing campaigns on the basis of behavioral data.